We found an issue in our design and the lighting specs that we had in Sunuta Cafe. The light was reflected on the acrylic windows that we have in the underwater dining experience. Imagine that you are dining and looking at a beautiful window full of marine life, and all of a sudden you see a lot of dot spots of light in there. It will ruin the experience. The light fixtures are tilted in a way that is facing away from the acrylic windows, so all the light is shedding from one direction without shedding the light on the acrylic itself. And this is why the fish are comfortable enough to get closer to the acrylic windows. It was a very unique collaboration between Miral, SeaWorld, and Signify, where we worked together in finding a perfect solution for this space, which is a unique design in itself, and in the same time, it has a very special needs as a space requirement. When we understood that from Signify, that the 3D printed fixtures are actually made from recycled materials, this is when we actually wanted to work with Signify on a product that emphasized the idea of sustainability. And this is where we created a symmetrical light fixture that not only provides the dining experience that we want, but also prevent the light from being reflected on the acrylic windows. We created the design intent of the space that you can enjoy a cozy experience. Also, it was a low carbon emission production for those light fixtures. Not only saved us time, but also they have a low energy consumption, and it goes back to the idea of sustainability of those light fixtures.